Hi, Chuck Etheridge and Dr. Eland with a terrible case of hat head, which is why I've got my hat still on. Okay, week 11. Wow. So close to the end of the semester, a lot of work left to do, but I'm feeling real good. Got midterm grades turned in a wee bit ago. I realize you're seeing this after the fact. And again, pleased with the people who are getting the work turned in. Some people are still straggling behind. Need to get that caught up. But if you're doing your work, turn your projects in, you're learning, you're writing well, you're learning about how to write in your profession, and I'm pleased with your work. This week, we continue trying to do several things at once. We're going to continue the in-depth, deep dive into the kinds of writing that you're going to be doing in your profession. We're going to continue that. We've done the last couple of weeks in preparation for developing your final report, which is exciting stuff. In addition, and to support that, we're going to read a specific article about audience analysis that relates to technical writing. We all, as writers, know that we need to really relate to our audience, but in technical writing, it means some very specific things as well. We're also going to continue working on our resume. Remember, as of last Friday or Friday, November the 1st, you should have made an appointment with Career Services, either in person or via WebEx. And sometime this week or next week, you will have that appointment as well. Once you get that done, and it can happen this week or next week, you are going to receive a resume rubric from Career Services, and you're going to fill that out and basically talk about what you learned, evaluate your resume, talk about also what you thought was helpful and what you wish Career Services would have talked about that they could have done differently. So we're continuing our analysis, we're doing our resume, and the other thing that we're doing, I'm not going to spend a huge amount of effort on it, but I want you to learn how to do some of the different kinds of communication that evolve. And so there's a lot of different ways to communicate. We've looked at memos and emails a little bit as well, but I also want you to learn some things that live on the web, live on the internet, live on our phones as well. So I want you to learn how to make a GIF or a GIF, depending on how you pronounce it as well. I want you to learn how to make a meme, and I want you to look at writing professional text messages. And that may sound odd, but these are little means of communication that have developed that become part of our professional and technical showcase, and I want you to know how to do these. I don't know if you've ever made a GIF, if you've ever made a meme before. So this week we're going to focus on what's probably the hardest of the three, which is the GIF, in which you capture a little moment of video that goes in a recurring loop, and then you add a message to it. And so we're going to read about what they are, how to communicate them. We're going to make one and then sort of analyze what we've done. So 3 things this week: continuing our analysis of our documents, getting those resumes done or worked on, and then learning about GIFs. Busy week, exciting week, and I look forward to seeing what you come up with. Thank you.